Today we will know what is Akashic access. Akashic is something like a books of library. Each soul has a book in that library. It is not like the physical realm. It is something you can say like a sky. It is a ethereal realm. But every human has the right to access his or her own Akashic records. If he or she wants to progress in his spiritual life, then why should we record access the Akashic records? We have many reasons to access the Akashic records, but clear cut three reasons are there. First, if you are facing any patterns in your life in terms of money, in terms of relationship, in terms of career. I can give you example in terms of relationship. If you are attracting again and again toxic person in your life and you don't know why this happening to me, the reasons are in childhood as well, but mostly it's connected to your past life. Because your soul is repeating these patterns in past lives as well. So if you know the reason, create awareness around them. And as the Akashic records are guided and protected by our spiritual guides and masters, we connect to them and they give us remedies as well. Remedies like forgiveness prayer, and some remedies are something religious as well sometimes if you are following that religion, and many more guidance they are give. We can get that in Akashic access only. And second thing is, if you are going through some emotions in your life, core emotion of your life, it can be loneliness, it can be unhappiness, sadness, frustration, and even if you had everything in your life but you feel some emptiness inside your life, that you can know from Akashic access, because soul has gone through so much lives in his or her past. So if we get awareness around that past lives, we know the core emotions. If even if we create awareness around that part, then we can guidance as well. So as we access Akashic records, our soul starts to heal immediately. Uh, so healing effect is very high on Akashic records. This is the modality. It's something different from other modalities of energy. And third thing is, the most important thing we can go through with the Akashic access is our soul purpose and where we are in the soul growth. Because if we are taking birth here, we have something to do here, some transformations and some giving to society, many things we have to do here, but we don't know what to do. Our patient is not clear what we want to do. So you can access your Akashic records and get to know what is your soul purpose, where is your life in soul growth, and many other questions. I am getting answers for the daily life questions as well with that. And now I added tarot plus Akashic together as well. So I will guide you what I can do for you in the reading. I have combined the tarot and Akashic together. As you give me the question, I will access, and from my intuition I will check if only tarot is sufficient for you or Akashic and tarot both needed. If something is related to past life, first I will do your tarot guidance and give present guidance, what you should do, what you should not do, what affirmation you should follow, some remedies, and what chakras you are lacking in. I will give you everything, and then at my pace I will do Akashic readings as well. In Akashic readings, I will get to know the reasons behind that in your past life, and then we will combine the Akashic and tarot guidance and give you the perfect guidance for that. And for that, you can DM me whatever details you want regards the reading. If you have any questions remaining for Akashic and tarot access, you can message me on DM. This time I want to take one angel card. Whoever goes through the live, please go through the live and I want to share one angel message for you. Whatever angel are guiding us at this point of time. Let's see. Angels are guiding us to take action. Whatever going through in your life, if you are just thinking in your mind and unable to decide I should take action or not, but in physical reality you have to take action to get the results. If you are just thinking and thinking, getting guidance from everywhere and don't do anything, it will not give you any results. So you must take action and surrender to the universe for guidance and results. Hope it will help you in your life. Bye.